how to interconnect two computers using the USB to USB cable. With the requirement needed, we need the two computers and the USB cable. So as you can see over here, this is one computer and this is the other computer. These two computers are not connected, so we can't share file from this computer to the other computer. But with this USB cable, we can now share files from one computer to the other computer. And it is the fastest way to transfer files from one computer to the other. As you can see over here, this is not just a normal USB cable, but rather it's a USB cable which has a circuit inbuilt within it. And this circuit built within it has the drivers which would help transfer the files from one computer to the other, and is the fastest way to connect two computers in terms of sharing of files. So we are now coming to connect our two computers using the USB cable. So all you have to do is just connect one end of the USB cable to one of the computers. We are done with this one, and you connect the other end to this other computer over here. We are also done with this one. So these two computers are connected, but because we have not installed the files on it, we can't share any file from one computer to the other. So right now we have to install the files or the drivers on this circuit so that we can interconnect or share files from this computer to the other. So you go to my computers. As the face is open, you can see this one is the drivers for the USB cable. So you will install the drivers for that one. Then the local files on this computer opens, but it is not connected to the other computer due to the fact that this computer has not installed a files which will help transfer the files from this computer to the other. So we have to also install the files on this computer. So as we did over there, we did the same thing over here. Then the files is being installed. Now you can see this interface shows us how we can now share the files. So the first part over here is the foreign computer. That's the files on the other computer. And this file interface over here is the local files on this computer. So if you want to transfer a file from the foreign computer to our local computer, just locate where the file is. So let's share a file from a video. Yeah, this is a video. Let's transfer this video from this foreign computer to our local computer. So you just select the file, you copy it. Then you come to your local computer, you select where you want to place that video. So let's place it at our PC videos. So we want to place our file being transferred on this local computer over here. Then you just right click where you want to paste the video, then what? You select paste. So as you can see, the file is being transferred, and you can see the rate at which the file is being transferred, which makes it the fastest way to transfer files from one computer to the other. So the file is now being transferred. So let's wait till the transfer is done. Okay. As this file is being transferred, you can also transfer file from the other computer to this local computer too. So let's also connect or transfer a file from this computer to the other. So with this USB to USB cable connection, you can do two transfers at the same time from one computer to the other computer, while you don't have to wait till the other one is done. Okay, this computer is having